Hey everyone, in this video, I will tell you how you can create your account on Discord. So for that, just open any browser. If you are using mobile phone or laptop, the process is same. Just open any browser and search for Discord login. When you search this, just simply click on first link and open this website, Discord website. When you open this, just simply click on this login option. When you click on login, here you will see an option called register. As you have not any account, so just click on this register. When you click on this, now here write your email address, your name, your username, your password. Simply select your date of birth, click on this check option and just simply click on continue. So when you enter all your credentials and just simply click on register, then your account has been signed up. Now you have created your account. Now how you will use this account, I will tell you in the other videos.